Well, folks, it's time to kick it old school. So you can feel cool.
Hello everybody, welcome to Makistoys. Today I'm going to be trying to activate Elmer's purple glue with baking soda and water combo. This worked for the Cra-Z-Art, so maybe it'll work for this. This stuff really doesn't work with the borax, so I'm not really, too believing that it's going to work, but who knows, maybe it's a clear glue kind of thing. Ooh. Okay, so here we go. Dun 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 dun. I wonder, what if I add the borax to it now? So I'm gonna try, adding borax to it. See if it works now. That would be crazy. And still nothing. This is garbage for slime. Don't use this.